Okay, so now I'm gonna show you the Sentinel value. What is the Sentinel value? See this example. See this while loop? Okay, so the only way to stop this loop, this while loop, if auction, the variable auction is n. Why? Because if auction is n is different than n, false. We're going to stop the loop. So in other words, the sentinel value is the specific value that is gonna stop our while loop. Okay, is a special value, a specific value that is gonna help us stopping the while loop. So see here at the beginning, auction initialized to nothing, and then auction different than n, true, right? Print, do you want to continue? Type n to exit. So you receive whatever the user type inside the variable auction. So now evaluate. If the user type y, for example, y different than n, true, we're going to display the message, receive a new auction, and continue repeating this loop until the user press n. If the user press n different than n, false, and we're going to stop the while loop. So let's gonna run. See that? Do you want to continue? Type n to exit. Want to continue? Yes. Want to continue? Yes. Want to continue? Yes. Want to continue? Press end. Okay, end. The loop is going to stop. Okay, this is how the Sentinel control works. Okay, it's a special value that is going to help us stop the repetition. Okay, so now that you understand that, let's see, I have a special lab for you. Let's gonna read that. Well, online purchasing, best purchases accepting online order for electronic devices and accessories. They have developed a program that allows the user to select devices to purchase from a menu of items. Oh, a menu of items. Let's gonna see the menu. Okay, one smartphone, smartphone case, laptop, tablet case, e-reader, PC, desktop, monitor, laser printer, and number 10, complete my order. Oh, it's like a shopping cart, right? So you're gonna display the menu, and the user are gonna be able to select auction. If they wanna purchase a smartphone, they're gonna type number 1, and the total is gonna be total equal total plus whatever is the price for a smartphone. If they select 3, it means that the total now is gonna be the previous total plus previous total equals total plus the value of the laptop. And we're gonna continue accumulating the totals until the user type the number 10. When the user type the number 10, let's gonna compute everything. So what happened here? Write a program that allows the customer to select items from item to purchase, calculate the price of the item ordered, and display a receipt of this information to the customer. Assume that the sales tax is 6.5. Okay, so let me show you the sample output. Sample output. Let's gonna say that the user purchased 9 items. So this is the menu that you're gonna display in your program, and then please select an item from the menu above. The user selects 5. And then please select another item from the menu above. Select 2. And then repeat and repeat and repeat all these messages receiving the data. Okay, so as you see, inside the loop, we're gonna have, please select another item from the menu above. But before we're gonna start the while loop, we're gonna display, please select an item from the menu above. Why before the while loop? Because what happens is the user doesn't wanna order anything. It's gonna type the number 10, right? And the while loop is gonna have a Sentinel value. The auction different than 10, right? Because when the user press 10, the loop is gonna finish. So here, the first message, please select an item from the menu above, it's gonna be before the loop, the while loop. We're gonna receive the item, and then after that, we're gonna initiate the loop. Because what happens if the user enters the number 10 at the beginning? The loop never is gonna start. I'm gonna show you here with more examples. Okay, but this is the idea. So after entering the data, the user press the number 10, type the number 10, and then we're gonna display the receipt. Thank you for ordering, the name of the user, total item order. Oh, how can I know the total item order? Remember count, the variable count? Yes. Sales tax, we need to compute the sales tax and the total amount due. Oh, that's it. So let's gonna code, right? Okay. Let me code in different videos. Let me stop that. So, and then we're gonna code the solution in different videos. So let me stop